I chose Rice Business because they have a program for everyone. I came into this program in a unique situation. I was pregnant with my first child, and not only that, but my husband also were interested in pursuing an MBA. We knew we wanted to go to a place where we felt comfortable and we felt supportive and we felt like we can continue to grow our family, but also learn a ton. As an inaugural member of the hybrid class, I am super amazed by the way that the program has shaped up so far. It is clear that Rice did a lot of research in building this program for people like me and my classmates who want to come in, want to be in person, want to learn hands-on, but also want the option to be remote and learn weekly. This program has allowed me to not only continue to grow at work, but also to grow my family while doing and being a part of this program, and feeling supported by my teammates, my classmates, and professors. What I like about getting my MBA in Houston is that there's something for everyone, whether you like music or sports or eating, there's something literally for everyone out there. So it's definitely a great place to be for the years in the MBA program. One of my favorite resources on campus that are probably unknown to most is actually that there's a mother's room in the building. All of my professors have also been super flexible and accommodating to me entering motherhood, and I feel super supportive. I've been able to take all of my classes without missing a beat because of the flexibility and how accommodating everyone was. I would tell a prospective student that there is literally no time like the present, no matter what. If you want to get an MBA, just go do it. Everyone has a lot going on, but everyone's also able to do the program because of the support that you get from your classmates, your teammates, and the professors here at Rice. Anything is possible.